Have you ever wondered why internal links are vital in SEO? Today we're going to unravel this mystery. Internal links are the hidden heroes of SEO. These are the links that connect one page of your website to another, creating a web of interconnected content. They're like tour guides, ushering both users and search engine bots through the labyrinth that is your site, making it easier to navigate and understand. These unsung heroes do a lot more than just help users find their way around. Internal links also play a significant role in defining the architecture and hierarchy of your website. By strategically linking related content together, you're giving search engines a clear map of your site's structure, which in turn helps them understand the context and relevance of your pages. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine each page of your website as a bucket filled with a certain amount of authority or link juice. When you link one page to another, you're essentially pouring some of that link juice into the next bucket. This process, also known as PageRank, helps distribute authority throughout your site, giving lesser-known pages a chance to shine in search engine rankings. Lastly, internal links also help increase page visibility. When you link to a page, you're essentially telling search engines, "Hey, this page is important, check it out." This is particularly beneficial for new or underperforming content that needs a little boost in visibility. So, as you can see, internal links are not just optional extras, but essential components of a successful SEO strategy. They help search engines understand your site, improve user navigation, distribute page authority, and increase visibility. Their importance cannot be overstated. Now that you recognize the significance of internal links, let's delve into the process of creating and managing them effectively. Stay tuned, and let's continue to unravel the intricacies of SEO together. Creating internal links is not rocket science, and with these simple steps, you'll master it in no time. Firstly, you need to identify linking opportunities within your content. Start by reviewing your existing content. Look for topics that are related and can potentially be linked together. This could be as simple as linking to a previous blog post, or as complex as creating a web of interconnected articles on a similar theme. Next is to use your anchor text wisely. Anchor text is the clickable text in a hyperlink. It should be relevant to the page you're linking to and should provide a clear indication of what the linked content is about. The key is to make it natural and seamless within your content. Avoid using generic phrases like "click here" or "read more." Instead, try to use a keyword or phrase that accurately describes the linked content. Now let's talk about the value your link should bring to your audience. Every link you create should add value for your audience. It should provide additional relevant information that enhances the user's understanding of the topic at hand. Ask yourself, does this link offer more information or a different perspective on the topic? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. Creating internal links also involves a certain level of strategy. You want to ensure that your most important pages, often referred to as your cornerstone content, are the ones receiving the most internal links. This signals to search engines that these are the key pages on your site, helping to improve their visibility and search results. Lastly, don't forget about the user experience. Internal links should be placed naturally within your content, and they should never feel forced. There's no hard and fast rule about how many internal links you should include, but a good rule of thumb is to only include them when they truly add value and improve the user experience. With these steps, you can create effective internal links. But remember, creation is just the beginning. Management is the key to sustain their effectiveness. Managing your internal links ensures their effectiveness over time. Here's how to do it. Just like a well-oiled machine, your internal linking strategy requires regular maintenance to ensure it continues to function optimally. This includes frequently checking for broken links, balancing your link distribution, and reviewing your link structure as your website expands. Let's start with broken links. These are akin to dead ends in your website's roadmap, leading visitors and search engines nowhere. This can harm your SEO and user experience. To prevent this, Make it a habit to regularly check your site for broken links and fix them promptly. Various SEO tools can help automate this process, alerting you when a broken link is detected. Next, consider the balance in your link distribution. It's important to spread your internal links evenly across your website. If too many links point to one page, while others are neglected, it can create an unbalanced link profile. This can confuse search engines about which pages are important. So keep an eye on your link distribution and make adjustments as needed. Lastly, as your website grows, so should your internal linking strategy. New pages mean new opportunities for internal linking. However, it's crucial to review your link structure regularly to ensure it aligns with your site's growth. This includes checking that your most important pages are still receiving the most internal links, and that new pages are being effectively integrated into your link structure. Remember, an effective internal linking strategy is not about quantity, but about quality. Each link should serve a purpose, whether it's guiding visitors to a related post, leading them deeper into your site, or pointing search engines to your key pages. In essence, managing your internal links is an ongoing task, not a one-time setup. It requires consistent attention and adjustments to keep up with your website's growth and changes. It's like tending to a garden. You must regularly prune and water it to keep it flourishing. A well-managed internal linking strategy can significantly improve your SEO, but how do you know if it's working? Results speak louder than words, and in SEO, it's all about the metrics. In the world of search engine optimization, the proof of your efforts is often in the pudding. But what does that pudding look like in terms of internal linking strategy? How can we know if our internal links are doing their job? The answer lies in certain SEO metrics. The first metric to consider is bounce rate. If a visitor lands on your page and leaves without interacting further, that's a bounce. A high bounce rate can indicate that your content isn't meeting the expectations of your visitors, or it might mean that your internal links aren't engaging enough to keep them exploring. If your bounce rate is high, think about how you can make your internal links more enticing. Next up is page views. This metric tells you how many times a particular page has been viewed. A rise in page views after implementing an internal linking strategy can be a positive sign. It suggests that more people are navigating through your site thanks to your effective use of internal links. Then we have time spent on page. As the name suggests, this metric reveals how long visitors are hanging around on your pages. If they're staying a while, it's a good indication that your content is engaging and your internal links are guiding them to other relevant, intriguing content. But remember, these metrics don't exist in a vacuum. They're interconnected. A fall in bounce rate might lead to an increase in page views and time spent on page. Conversely, if your page views are up but time on page is down, it might mean that while your internal links are driving traffic, your content isn't holding attention. So take a holistic view. Look at all these metrics together to get a comprehensive understanding of your internal linking strategy's effectiveness. Analyze, tweak, and refine your strategy based on these insights. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can ensure your internal linking strategy is working as it should. So you've learned a lot about internal links today. Let's have a quick recap. We started our journey by understanding the importance of internal links in search engine optimization. We learned that these seemingly simple connections within your website play a pivotal role in boosting your site's visibility. They help in distributing page authority and establishing an information hierarchy for the website. In essence, they're like the veins of your website, helping search engines and users navigate smoothly. Then we took a step-by-step walk through the process of creating internal links. We discovered it's not rocket science, but there is an art to it. You have to strategically place these links where they provide value, ensuring they're relevant to the content and beneficial for the users. Moving on, we delved into the management of your internal links. We emphasized that it's not a set-it-and-forget-it game. Regular audits are crucial to ensure that all links are functioning correctly and there are no dead ends that could frustrate users or search engines. Next, we tackled the task of measuring the success of your internal linking strategy. We learned that it's important to keep an eye on metrics like bounce rates, page views, and the time spent on the page. These metrics can give you valuable insights into whether your internal linking strategy is working or if it needs tweaking. Finally, we reiterated that internal linking is more than just creating connections between pages. It's about creating a well-thought-out network that enhances user experience and boosts your SEO efforts. And that's a wrap! With this knowledge in your arsenal, you're all set to improve your website's SEO through effective internal linking. Remember, it's not just about linking, it's about linking smartly.